Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you through the process of signing out of all devices on the VSCO app. If you want to protect your account or simply log out from other devices you no longer use, this video will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Next, locate and tap the two-line menu icon. Then, find and select the Privacy and Data option from the menu. After that, scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled Sign Out of All Devices. Tap on this option to begin the process. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping on Sign Out when prompted. This will log you out of VSCO on every device where your account is signed in. By following these easy steps, you can ensure that your account is safe and only accessed by you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.